Welcome to Cheap College Living. Today we're going to talk about back to school specials. You can feel it, right? Friends are leaving, you're starting to pack, your family is ready for you to leave, and so are you. You're looking forward to a fresh start at school, and so are lots of other businesses and vendors. So let's talk about all the back to school specials that are waiting for you. Let's talk about some of the local back to school specials. Lots of businesses are eagerly awaiting the return of students. And what do they have? Great back to school specials. Usually, the first week before school starts, there are plenty of events on campus and off campus for new students and returning students. Oftentimes, these vendors are willing to give away things for free, whether it's coupons, or shirts, or even a pillow, who knows. But these are great ways to find new deals and good deals for your back to school. Additionally, other student services and student organizations, which are sponsored by other businesses, have great deals awaiting you. You just have to make sure you find the good ones and take advantage of them before they expire. Let's talk about stores in the area. Oftentimes, there are stores that carry Spirit clothing or other campus wear, and they have great deals in order for you to be ready for game day or what else you have going on. Additionally, there are other specialty stores that cater specifically to the student population, and you have to be on the lookout for those. Finally, tutoring. Tutoring can be very expensive, but if you sign up in the beginning with what some might call a season pass, then you can get a pretty good deal on all your tutoring needs. Next, let's talk about some of the online back-to-school specials you can take advantage of. There are plenty of online vendors, and I'm pretty sure you can find great deals, especially ones that fit your college needs. First of all, Amazon.com. Again, this is a great resource to use for all your needs, but specifically, they have some great back-to-school specials for different school supplies, including textbooks, pens, notebooks, even backpacks and decoration, so you might as well take advantage of those specials while they last. Let's talk about subscription services. Sometimes they can have great deals, but sometimes it's better to stay away from them. Make sure you check it out just in the event that they have some great back-to-school specials. Finally, do some searching. There are plenty of online resources where you can find great back-to-school specials. Some brick-and-mortar stores that have great online specials include Target, IKEA, and even Walmart. They always have great deals for their students, and you should definitely capitalize on them. Back-to-school specials are a great way to find great products and services for a lot cheaper. What back-to-school specials have you used or are looking forward to using? Comment below and subscribe to keep saving.